Plagiarism. You may have heard the word, but not necessarily understood what it entails. Here is, in a nutshell, what it is and why it is unethical. Let's take a minute to talk about it. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is an act or instance of using or closely imitating the language and thought of another author without authorization in the representation of that author's work as one's own work, and not crediting the original author. Words that are synonymous: appropriation, infringement, piracy, counterfeiting, theft, borrowing, cribbing, passing off. There are also other forms of plagiarism, such as copyright infringement, which is a violation of the rights secured by a copyright, and also self-plagiarism, the reuse of identical or near-identical parts of one's work without acknowledging that one is doing so or without citation of the original source. Why it happens. Common reasons people resort to plagiarism: no time to do their own research, not knowing the rules of citing, ambition, because others do it, there is no damage to others. Don't get caught up in it. Plan your research and manage your time. In education or academia, plagiarism can be sanctioned by the educational institution and/or its members in different forms, from failing the grade, failing the course, revocation of awards, grants, or scholarships, suspension, or even worse, expulsion. In order to avoid unintentional plagiarism, it is recommended to learn and develop the skill of time management, taking notes, verifying the source of information used, and properly quoting and citing your work. Producing an original paper instead of copying from someone else should be rewarding. Copying does not empower you. On the contrary, it opens the doors for others to accuse you of not being honest. Here are some useful references on plagiarism. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your librarian or your instructor. Plagiarism has tremendous consequences. As always, thank you and good luck in your studies.